Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to switch website templates on Pixpa. Once on your Pixpa dashboard, I want you to tap on Design from the left-hand menu option. After selecting Design, you'll be redirected to this page. And at the moment, you can see the current template that I'm using is color. So you're going to tap on the current template in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and select Change Template. After tapping on Change Template, from there you can tap on All Templates and you could view all the templates, or you could view the popular templates, the new templates, or you can select a particular type. Once you have found a template that you like, so let's say for instance I would like to change it to this one, we can tap on Switch to Titan. Then you will tap on Yes, Continue. You can choose to keep existing content or start fresh, and we'll select Keep Existing Content, and we're just going to tap on Yes, Continue. After you have tapped on Yes, Continue, you'll give it a few seconds, and you can see that the template has been changed. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.